Hi everyone, welcome to Pharmajobalert YouTube channel. And if you are looking for job opportunities, then you're at the right place. Subscribe to Pharmajobalert for receiving regular job updates. So coming to today's video, there are vacancies from Glenmark. So this is a walk-in interview. First of all, let me clear you. Walk-in interview means you have to directly attend to the interview venue provided by the company. So coming to the positions, they are looking for junior officer or officer in production and packing department. If you are having a regular full-time ITA or diploma, then you are eligible. So the next vacancy is senior officer production and packing. So if you are having Bpharm or MPharm, then you are eligible for this opportunity. So guys, for receiving freshers job updates other than this, you can check our YouTube channel by subscribing to it, and there are a lot of freshers vacancies which are posted daily. So this walk-in interview is for production or engineering department at Goa Unit 2 for Glenmark Pharmaceutical Limited. So the work location will be Goa itself. So the qualification for before openings are 2 to 6 years. For pharma formulation experience is required. Next is senior officer engineering department, production maintenance engineer, BE or DME, 2 to 10 years of experience. So applicant must have experience in pharma units approved by regulatory agencies like US FDA, MHRA. So the walk-in is on 9th September 2024 to 14th September 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The venue is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited, Unit 2. So please utilize the opportunity. You can share your resumes to urvesh.kotarkar@glenmarkpharma.com. So if you are not able to attend the interview, then you can send your resume. And for the walk-in interview, you need to carry the following document: passport size photo, academics, employment certificates, and PAN card and Aadhaar. So candidates who are in Goa will be preferred by the company. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.